guys, welcome to the video. In this video we actually got a smart lock here, and I am not going to show you guys how to install this or anything. I'm just gonna open it and show you guys you know, how it looks after I install it. So I actually got two of these, so that's why I can show you two. So basically we're gonna just take this knife here and open this up. There you go. And after we break the seal, here we go. We have a book. This is gonna tell you how to change the lock, you know, what the current code is, and then all the functions and stuff. So I highly suggest keeping this book with you because you will need it. If you don't, later down the road somebody else purchase a house or whatever happens, they're gonna need it. So I would suggest keeping this. That's one thing. There's a guide video here, so if you want to watch a video and learn and do this thing, you could do that as well. We have a whole cutout and stuff like that to make sure you get the proper size of everything, which is pretty nice. And then we got the lock here. It's wrapped up pretty nicely. This is probably going to be the hardwares. So this is the lock itself, and then we got the strike plate. The lock itself is pretty average, just like every other lock. This is what it looks like. And then this would be the keys, so you could actually unlock this with the key. You have two keys. You got screws. You got the one face of the lock. This is gonna be the code side. So this side, we're gonna have numbers here. I don't know if you can see the numbers, but there are numbers here. And then you could also open this up and use the keys as well. I wish this was like a fingerprint or something over here, but it is what it is. This is a budget-friendly lock, by the way, so keep your expectation on check. We got lock and unlock button here. We got a whole switch for locks and unlock in the middle. And we got the batteries here. We got 4 AA batteries. So basically you would mount the strike plate, not the strike plate, sorry, this backing plate here. You would mount this with the other side, which would be this. And to make it more stronger, you could also make holes up top here, and then make sure that you have 2 points of connection, so it's just like it's gonna be pretty solid then. I actually haven't done that. I just connected with this because I didn't want to make holes and stuff. But yeah, so it's pretty easy and everything. It's not that hard. So you can follow the instructions and put it on. Let's just go ahead and look what we got here. So this is the lock itself. Check this out. It's pretty easy locking and unlocking. You could also press this button and it would lock and say locked. You could also press it again and then it will say unlocked, and it unlocks, right? This here is the keypad right there. Right here. Okay, this here is the keypad. It lights up just like that. There you go. You got alarms if you're gonna put wrong code and everything. It looks pretty nice. Really decent screen, and it's very responsive. It's like a piece of glass, so it's really nice to touch. And we also got this I showed you, so you could actually use the keys just in case you get locked out or anything. And on top of that, we also have a jump start location, which is right here. And you just pull this, put in a USB-C to any power, maybe a power bank or something, and then then you could unlock the door, and then you could get in, and then you can just change the battery just like that. And then you could get in, and then you can change the battery just like that. You just open this up, change the batteries for AA battery, pretty easy, and then just put it back on. It's that easy, you know. It's really well made. I really like this lock. Nothing to complain about it. We'll just see how long this lasts, because the only reason I'm changing these is because the older lock lasts about 7 to 8 days. I don't know why. They're from Home Depot. I'm not sure why that happens, but those came with the house and they're just not working. So this is what we got. I was actually using these locks here for every single house. This is a turbo lock. I've been using these for years and years and years. Unfortunately, this time they actually didn't live up to the hype. So, you know, as you can see, it was actually sealed. I don't want to show the other side, but yeah, it was sealed with a prime tape. When I opened it, I found this thing, a broken seal just like that. This was actually in here. This is where we were supposed to actually have the lock. The lock is missing. Keys are missing. The 9-volt battery is missing. And yeah, we also got a huge dent on this lock here. So, you know, a lot of scratches, and like there was a big dent somewhere. So yeah, it didn't work out. So these came to the rescue, and we're gonna be using those. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next time.